Hi, welcome to KRankin's Kitchen and Cooking with KRankin. Today I'm going to show you the new Pampered Chef, well, new to me, Pampered Chef Deluxe Air Fryer. Now, if you've seen any of my Instagram or Facebook, you know that I'm very excited about this. I did have an air fryer, but I like this one better, and I replaced my old one, and it's because of some of the features that are in it, and it's more like an oven, as you can see, than a basket. Like my old one was more of a basket one. So there's lots of different features on the Pampered Chef Deluxe Air Fryer. You can air fry, you can bake, you can roast, do rotisserie. It comes with a spit and fork so that you can put chicken on there and do rotisserie, and you can dehydrate. So if you're interested in doing things like dried fruit or even dried vegetables or jerky, one of the things that are on my list is to do some jerky. So today we are going to cook homemade French fries. So not only are we going to showcase the air fryer, but we are also I'm going to show you how to use the Rapid-Prep Mandoline. So the Rapid-Prep Mandoline is really, really cool. It has some dials on the back of it that indicate the thickness and the type of what you want to slice your vegetables in, or whatever you're doing. So it does a very nice julienne. Today we're going to do French fries. You can do slices like for a potato scallop and do them thick or thin, and you just set it and then you set it up. So it comes with its own container. So you put that in, and so it's got suction cups on the bottom so it doesn't slip. It's got a guard on the blade so it doesn't, it's very safe. The blade itself moves up and down against your food instead of the traditional mandolins where you would have to move the food over the blade. So it's a lot safer than other mandolins that you get on the market. So it's got its own chute. We're going to put that in there. It's very easy to assemble, and it's got its own food pusher. So that's all set. So we're going to set this to French fry, and we're going to put it on its thickest setting. And I've cleaned some potatoes here. I like the skin, so I didn't bother peeling them. You just put that in the chute, put the pusher in. That's how quickly you can make French fries. So have a look at that. Like, those are just perfect size. Now these are small potatoes, but so the fries aren't very long. But of course you could get longer potatoes to do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to go flying. Oh! Now this is a little over a pound of potatoes. And that's done. So it's interesting because in my younger days I used to work at Deluxe, and we used to chop fries like that. So this brings back all kinds of memories of making French fries. So that is done, and we're going to take these fries, and we're going to put them back in the batter bowl like this. Look at them. They're gorgeous. And what we're going to do is we're going to toss them a little bit with a little bit of oil. tablespoon of vegetable oil. I'm just gonna use my hands. What you could do is put these in a Ziploc bag and just make sure that every French fry is coated. But I should have used a bigger bowl. Oops. Okay. So the air fryer comes with a basket. We're going to use the basket for the fries. It also comes with racks, so you can put the racks very easily into the fryer. I also have the small rectangular stoneware, and it fits perfectly in there. So it's a really good thing. We're gonna move this and plug it in. And so what happens is we're going to cook the fries. We're going to kind of pre-cook them. So we're going to put them in and just put them on custom and put them at 325 in the basket that's going to be rotating. And then once that's done, we'll put it on air fry for another 10 to 12 minutes, and so they crisp up, and then we'll have French fries. So I'm going to put the fries in the basket. The basket's on the retrieval tool, and we're going to slide it in, put it in the hole, and just rest it on the right side. We're going to hit custom. We're going to put it for 10 minutes, and we're going to change the temperature to 325. It is, oh, we're going to hit rotate. It will beep halfway through, which is built in. Whatever time you put on the air fryer, it will beep halfway through to prompt you to change the trays so that things get evenly cooked. But for the rotisserie, when it's moving, and you can see it, I don't know. The basket is spinning very slowly. You don't need to obviously change it halfway. So we'll be back when this is done after 10 minutes, and then we're going to put it on air fry and crisp up the French fries. So now that it's through its first setting, we're going to put it on air fry, and we're going to press the wheel to select. Now when we're on air fry, you can't change the temperature. That's at 400 degrees. We're going to select rotate, and we are going to put this on for 18 minutes. Hi, we're back, and the French fries have been through their second cycle. So we're going to open it up. We're going to use the retrieval tool that comes with the air fryer, and we're going to take out the basket. And the basket is round, as you see, so I put it in my small stoneware pan to just kind of keep it from rolling around. And you're going to want to use oven mitts. And silicone ones are best to do that. So you can move this around and open it. And salt. And there we go. Fresh, homemade French fry. Vicky? Don't touch that. Hot. They're hot. They're yummy, aren't they? All right. So, like and subscribe, and if you want any more information, the recipe will be down below. And if you want to host a party, please let me know. Hosting a party, you could actually get this for half price. So if you're interested, or if you want to join the business, just give me a shout and I can make that happen. Thank you for watching.